Hey, it's Compel Productions, and in this tutorial I'm really going to show you how to customize the background for your dock exactly like this. If you can see my my gradient from red and black. So yeah, first thing you're going to open up is Photoshop. This will work in any versions of Photoshop like CS3, CS4, and CS5. I'm just going to be using CS5. Wait for it to load. Alright, and so now that it's loaded, I'm going to go ahead and click File. File Open. And now what you're going to do is you're going to have to scroll to wherever you put your Rocketdock. So I put mine in C, Programs, Files 82, and I'm just going to scroll down to Rocketdock, and you're going to go into Skins, and go ahead and find something. Say you like, where is it? Just say I like this leopard theme right here. So I'm going to go ahead and go up, or hold on, copy, and then come over here and just paste. Alright, so now it's going to be, since I already have two of those copies, it's going to be leopard, copy, or copy 2, yeah. So what you're going to do is you're going to open that and click background right here. Open it up, and then what you're going to do is create a new layer down here, sticky note looking tab, and go ahead, and what you want to do is select your marquee tool, rectangular marquee tool, and just start about at the top of it. So let me take out my rulers, which you can do that by pressing Control R, and go ahead, and I'm gonna bring this down to where it starts. Hold on, let me deselect this so I can bring this down right so it snaps. Okay. Alright, so now that you got that done, you're going to go back and go ahead and start on this line. And just go ahead and go like that. Now what you're going to do is go ahead and fill this. And go ahead and put it on white. I like to put it on white. But double click it. Go to Gradient Overlay. And I'm going to put my black and red. Alright, my black and red. And I'm just going to click OK and OK. I'm going to drag this. I'm going to hide that. Drag this right underneath layer 0. Then you're going to come to layer 0, opacity, and go ahead and bring it down to where you can see it. I'm going to bring it to 70. Okay, then what you're going to do is go ahead and deselect this. Click on layer 1. Do a vector mask. And go ahead and zoom in. You do that by going Control Plus. Alright, I zoomed in twice. So I'm going to take my brush. Come over here. I'm going to take a solid one. And what you're going to do is on your vector mask, you're going to go ahead and erase. But see, it's on white. So you have to switch it to make it black so you can erase. Alright. And you're just going ahead and go to erase. Which it's not really erasing, so if you mess up, you can either back it up you can delete the vector mask and do it again. See, like, I think I just messed up, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it again. And yeah, I just pressed Control Alt Z and that will do it. That'll back it up. So yeah, I pretty much get the idea, so I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video and then go ahead and finish both sides. All you need to do is do it for both sides, okay? Alright, so now that I did that, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up these sides up here, so it looks like it's keep going diagonal. And as you can see, there's something down here. You don't want to mess with that too much. I'm gonna lower the opacity because it looks kind of where you can see it too much. So I'm gonna zoom out, and if that looks good, then okay. What I like to do is I like to save it. Save it as a PSD document inside that folder, so in case I need to go back and change it, I can go ahead and change it without having to redo all this again. It's just so much easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and save it, and I'm gonna click no because you're gonna pretty much most likely have to go unlock the rights on it. So go ahead and do that. If you don't know how to do that, just go ahead, go to that Rocketdock folder, go to your skins, and go to that leopard copy 2 or leopard copy that pretty much you will make. So go ahead and go to right click and personal or properties, I'm sorry, and go to security, and edit, and go to users and click full control, click allow, click apply, and OK. Now you can X out both of those and go ahead and resave it. Alright, so now it works. Now we're going to go ahead and save this as, where is it? Oh, there it is. Save it as a PNG. You need to have it as a PNG, or go ahead and select PNG or JPEG, and until you see one of these, go ahead and click on it and make sure it's the same name as it, because the files in there tell it to read off of this file and the separator to read off of this. If you want to go ahead and edit the separator, you can, but I really don't like doing that, so just click save and click OK. OK. And now we're going to come up here, right click on Rocketdock, go to dock settings. Let me go ahead and minimize that. Go back to dock settings and go ahead and go to style. Now we're going to go to leopard copy 2, which is a little different than my leopard copy if you look. It has a bigger opacity, but just so you can see the difference, I'm going to select to another one I made for my aunt. It's purple. So yeah, there you go. You got it. Just click OK, and there you go. There's your Rocketdock theme. You can do that with any theme already, or any skin already in the skin file, or you can go ahead and create your own new skin if you want to. So you're gonna have to copy the files though. So anyways, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe, and go ahead and watch my other videos. Thanks.